Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I will show you how you can change the paper size for your documents you would like to print, for example, on Google Docs really quickly. So let us get started right away. Alright, so head over to Google Docs, log into your account, and let me open, for example, that document here for the sake of this tutorial. So what you will need to do, guys, is click on File here in the top left and select Page Setup from the drop-down menu. That is going to open up that window for you. So here in your page setup, simply select the orientation like portrait or landscape, and below you'll see a feature or option called page size or paper size. So click on that arrow down icon here to the right and select your preferred paper size like A4, A5, folio, statement, letter, and so on and so forth. So let me go with, for example, A3 paper size or page size, confirm by clicking on OK here. And that's basically it. You may also set the given paper size as default by clicking on set as default here. And I'm just going to apply these changes instantaneously. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.